Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you don't know me, my name is Mando. I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. Today we're going to take a look at the separable and the inseparable verbs in German. The trennbare and untrennbare Verben. These separable and inseparable verbs consist of a verb and a prefix in front of them. This prefix can change the whole meaning of the initial verb. For example, stehen means stand and aufstehen means wake up. Now, how do we know which verbs are separable and inseparable? There is three categories of prefixes. The first are the separable, the second are the inseparable prefixes, and the third are the ones that sometimes can be separated and sometimes can't be separated. Let's start with the first group. Ab, an, auf, aus. Bei, ein, los, mit, nach, her, hin, vor, weg, zu, zurück. Here's a way you can remember them. Ab, an, auf, aus, bei, ein, los, mit, nach, her, hin, vor, weg, zu, zurück. So let's create a sentence with a separable verb. Ich stehe immer 9 Uhr auf. So we conjugate the verb in the second position in the sentence and we add the separable prefix at the end of the sentence. Let's take a look now at the second category of verbs, which are the inseparable verbs. Be, emp, ent, er, ge, miss, ver, sehr. This is a good way to remember them. Be, emp, and er, ge, miss, ver, sehr. Remember here, guys, you don't separate these prefixes from their verbs. Ich bestelle eine große Pizza. The last category of verbs are the ones that sometimes can be separated from their prefixes, but sometimes they can also not be separated from their prefixes. Let's take a look at them. Durch, über, unter, voll, wieder, and wieder. How do we know when to separate them and when to not separate them? Well, usually the verbs that are separable have a more literal meaning than the inseparable verbs. Take a look at these examples. Holt seine Bücher wieder. He takes back his books. But wiederholt die Lektion. He reviews the chapter. How to remember these verbs? If you sing the previous verbs and the prefix that you're looking for is not there, then most likely it's going to be the third category of verbs. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you liked this video and you found it useful. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you never miss a lesson. And I will see you all next time. Tschüss!